Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Evo Collector 96 here again. I'm back with another video. Alright, so this video I'm just going to show you what I got for my 0809 O-Pee-Chee hobby box I busted. So here we go. Alright, I got all these base. Alright, I got all these base cards right here. So yeah, all these base cards and a checklist right here. I got some rookies and stuff. Rookies I got were all these: Sammy Lapisto, Tom Cavanna, Kyle Greentree, Tyler Plant, Theo Peckham, Justin Abdelkader, Jordan Hendry, Brand Nolan, Tim Ramholt, and Marc-Andre Gregnani. O-Pee-Chee Legends I got were Ron Hextall, Brian Leach, Mike Bossy, Frank Mahovlich, Dino Cicerelli, Roji Vachon, Glenn Anderson, and Bobby Orr. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever. So the parallels I got and numbered stuff were all these O-Pee-Chee golds of Roman Hamrlik, Curtis Joseph, Cujo, Travis Zajac, Rob Niedermeyer, Ben Guite, Dennis Grebeshkov, Steve Stajos, Pavel Dimitra, and Alice Kotelik. The O-Pee-Chee retro cards I got were all these: Brian McCabe, Eric Perrin, Jarko Ruutu, not for trade, send, Tobias Enstrom, Thomas Plekanec, Zach Parise, Henrik Zetterberg, Todd White, Ollie Jokinen, Tim Thomas, Dmitry Kalinin, Alexei Zhitnik, Yaroslav Halak, David Bakish, Jason Arnott, Jeff Schultz, Ilya Brizgalov, Eric Boulanger, Patrick Sharp, Martin Urat, Scott Hartnell, Miroslav Shatan, Mark Denis, Daniel Alfredson. I already have it, so Smashing Sens 11, you might want it. Olaf Kolzig, Ovechkin Nolan, you might want it. Martin Hansel, Dustin Penner, Daniel Paille, Stefan Veilleux, Peter Mueller, nice. Martin Biron, Glenn Murray, Brian Malone, Chris Higgins, Kyle McLaren, and TJ Hensick. I got two retro rainbow parallels numbered to 100. Marek Zedlicki and Brennan Morrow. Alright, so the inserts I got were 2007-2008 selection all rookie team, Jonathan Taves, Bill Masterson Memorial Trophy, King Clancy Memorial Trophy, team logos, got 3 of them: Atlanta Thrashers, Chicago Blackhawks, and Columbus Blue Jackets. Season highlights: Mike Modano. Yeah. Mike Modano. Stat leaders: regular season goals against average of Chris Osgood, Jean-Sébastien Giguère, and Dominic Hasek. And stat leaders of regular season save percentage of Dan Ellis, Ty Conklin, and Jean-Sébastien Giguère again. Yeah. And I got this O-Pee-Chee Winter Classics card. It's WC27, so it's one of the SPs, and it's a Ralph Wilson Stadium. And it's a Sabres card. I got Jordan Stahl like this, so that's cool. And the hit of the box is this O-Pee-Chee Materials of Joe Thornton, Jeremy Roenick, and Patrick Marleau. So that was a pretty good box. I got a case hit, I think. These are like one in every 4 boxes, so I give it 2 thumbs up, as well as a 2 thumbs up on my Ultra box, which I got the Malkin Ultra Uniformity in. Alright, so that's it, and peace. I'll see you later. Stay tuned for the next video.